In order to call and set up a voicemail on a Nothing Phone 3A, we can go to the phone app. Next, we can tap on this keypad, this dial keypad icon, and then we can press and hold number 1 in order to immediately call the voicemail. Of course, in my case, I also have to choose which SIM card I want to use, but it doesn't really matter. And then you should be able to call and set up the voicemail if you didn't set up yet. Just follow the instructions that you will hear. If for some reason you cannot call the voicemail, if nothing happens, or if there is an incorrect number, then we can tap on these 3 dots in the top right corner and go to settings. Then you want to go to voicemail, optionally select your SIM card, and then you should be able to go to advanced settings, and here we have setup and the voicemail number. So we can change the voicemail number over here if it's incorrect for some reason, or if it's empty. If you don't know how to get the voicemail number, you need to essentially get it from your carrier, from your service provider, or by simply Googling. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!